Hello my friends, welcome to another edition of the Retirement Cafe. Today we're going to be making a 4-ingredient tomato sauce with cherry tomatoes.
Nice.
We're going to start with heating 1/4 cup of olive oil in this saucepan. Our oil is now hot. Now you've got, the recipe calls for 8 cloves of garlic, but we're doing probably half that because we're not that garlicky type people. This is still a lot of garlic. And we'll just
You like a little garlic.
do this for 2 or 3 minutes just until it's fragrant. Now the next step, we got 4 cups, also known as 2 pints of cherry tomatoes. We're gonna cook these until they soften, then we'll mash them down. So it'll take about 5 minutes first. Salt and pepper it. Calls for plenty of salt and pepper, they say.
That's enough.
And some pepper. And then we'll mash it down. And that'll make a saucy type thing on it.
The juices in this delectable dish.
But what would really be nice, I don't have a potato masher.
We're gonna get a potato masher. It's a great recipe, folks.
And then once it's all mashed, we'll cook it for another 15 minutes and hopefully it'll thicken. Now that's been simmering for 15 minutes. It's nice and thick, if you can see.
Oh, that looks beautiful.
And then I'm going to put in, it calls for a cup of chopped up basil leaves, but this is less than a cup, quite a bit less, probably half a cup.
As much as you can.
Much as you want.
Much as you want.
This is going to be very flavorful.
Oh, yeah. I better believe it. Okay, here is the final testing of this delicious 4-ingredient.
And we added meatballs and some spaghetti to
We
it.
added meatballs and spaghetti. And here we go. Oh, absolutely incredible.